Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore your Steam download when it keeps restarting. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a button labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the Settings panel where you can adjust various configurations to optimize your download performance. Once the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several menu options listed there. Click on Downloads. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Steam handles your game and update downloads, which is exactly what we need to fix the restarting issue you're experiencing. Now, in the Download section, you'll see an option called Download Region with a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see a list of different regions. Select the region that's nearest to your location. Choosing the correct region is important because it ensures you're connecting to the closest Steam servers, which can significantly improve download stability and prevent those annoying restarts. After selecting your region, click Restart Now. This will restart your Steam client to apply the new region settings. The application will close briefly and then reopen automatically, so just wait a moment for it to come back up. Once Steam reopens, go back to Steam in the upper left corner, select Settings again, and navigate back to Downloads in the left sidebar. This time, scroll down until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, you'll see a button. Click Clear Cache. This action removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with your downloads. Clearing the cache is crucial because corrupted cache files are often the main culprit behind download interruptions. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Steam will clear the cache and may ask you to log in again, which is completely normal. Additionally, if you're using a VPN, make sure to disable it. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's connection to its servers and cause downloads to restart unexpectedly. Also, consider restarting your router to refresh your internet connection, as this can resolve any network issues that might be contributing to the problem. And that's it. You've addressed the most common causes of Steam download restarts, and your downloads should now proceed smoothly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.